How to connect SERP API with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect SERP API to n8n, one of the easiest way to automate your Google search result right inside your workflow. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is come to this website, which is serpapi.com, and then sign in with your account. If you don't have created account, you can just simply register over here. Now, next, what you have to do is I have already created an account. So what I'm going to do is go to Search API. Now, this is your dashboard of Serp API. So once it is connected, what you can do with this Serp API and what is Serp API basically is. So basically you can automate keyword research, you can monitor competitor research ranking on, or even you can build your own SEO tools and reporting dashboards, all with zero coding. So just this is the advantage of Serp API. So it is for free for some responses just for starter. Now, in the left side bar, you will find this is a navigation bar. So from there, you have to go to API keys and click on this generate API key option. Now, are you sure? If you want to use existing script and application using the previous API key will no longer work. Okay, I will generate again and copy this and go back to my workflow. Now this is my workflow. Click on this plus icon and search for SERP API node. So this is new. As you can see here, right now it is needs to install. So just simply click on this install node over here. So from here you can take a lot of actions, like you can search, you can say search Bing, you can search eBay, you have then search Google Log, then a lot of things you can do with it. Now search Google videos. Now what I'm going to do, this is we have added our node over here. Now after that it will open something like this. Now first we will set up a credential. Click on this create credential and it will ask you to add your API key. Paste your API key and then click on the save button. It will taste that connection, and we have successfully connected our SAP API. Now what you have to do next is you have to select the source. I will choose research, and then you have to select the operation. Now I have selected this Google videos. Now over here you have to add the search query. So parameter, it is a parameter defines the query you want to search. Now as you can see here, I have added this search query, which is random. Now then you have to choose location. It can be USA, or you can say United States of America. Then you can add more fields in this node. Now click on this add new fields. From here you can just simply filter out by domain, country, language, and you can set multiple language as well. You have a lot of queries to set up, so you can do that. Now let's execute this step. Now as you can see, I got the error because I guess I have selected a wrong location. I will add again India. Let's see if it works or not. So it basically it will work, I guess. Okay, it worked. So yeah, this is how you can connect, and this is how you can pull a data from SERP API. Now, after this connection, you will be able to build a lot of things, like you can automate your keyword results, so you don't need to go and search result again and again. So if you want that workflow, just comment it down below. I will make video on that too. Now you can monitor competitor as well in a search rankings, or even build your own SEO tools and reporting dashboards, all with zero coding. So this was the advantage of that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.